Hello everyone, Lizzie Marie here with the Sparrow's Nest, and welcome to my channel. And if you can't tell already, today's theme is St. Patrick's Day decor ideas. I found these fun little glasses at Target. Kind of digging them. I'm super excited to show you my St. Patrick's Day decor. It is right behind me. Well, you see some of it right behind me. In this video, I'm going to show you my DIY wooden garland. I couldn't find any St. Patrick's Day banners or garlands that I liked, so I just made my own, and I really liked how it turned out. I'm also going to be giving you a tour of my St. Patrick's Day decor ideas for my entryway table. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking you on a little shop with me tour through Hobby Lobby, and we're going to see all the St. Patrick's Day decorations that they have right now. And I'm going to give you a preview of all their spring and Easter decorations they have right now. So even though this is a St. Patrick's Day decor video, since spring is just around the corner, I also wanted to show you what they have at Hobby Lobby right now because they have some super cute spring stuff. And I'm really excited to decorate for spring and Easter. All right, let's take you on my little home tour for St. Patrick's Day. So before you do anything else, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is paint these wood beads. And I chose green, obviously, for St. Patrick's Day. And I found this 200-piece wood beads on Amazon in a big package. They were only $10, so that was a great deal. So I'm gonna paint my beads just with some acrylic paint. And I figured you didn't need to see the process of me painting every single bead, but here they are all done, the color scheme that I want. And as you can see, I already beaded my thread, and I just used some jute cord. So I'm just going to take these wood beads and I'm going to put them on a jute cord. I had a little trouble getting the jute cord through those holes, so I just took a piece of tape and I put it around the jute cord, and that made it sturdy enough to be able to push through the hole in the bead. Now a lot of people will end these with tassels, and eventually I will do a DIY tassel video, but for this project I just wanted, I didn't need to put an end on it or anything. You'll see here I just tied a knot, and I'm just gonna slip that through because this entry table has like a little slot, and if you put a knot at the end, you can just slip it through and it will just stay. And I thought it looked better this way without tassels at the end. So I just cut off a piece of string, stuck it through the slots, and I like the look. It's very simple. And it matches with the entire color scheme I have going on here. So these next two pieces I found at Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love this hanging plant. I actually saw it in another lady's basket and she directed me toward the plant section, so I grabbed that there. The white mason jar is just a painted mason jar. Those are really easy to do with chalk paint. Check out the link below to find my DIY chalk paint. This gorgeous green turquoise vase I actually found at Goodwill. I got that for like $3 and it's just so beautiful. This cute little yellow vase with that stem in there, I got that at the dollar spot at Target, and they were actually both only $1. So for that yellow vase with the little stem, $2. Again, those frames from a thrift store, just took the glass out and painted them with chalk paint. The clover and the basket, along with the God Bless This Irish Home, I found at Hobby Lobby. And this little white lantern I already had from Goodwill, and I just put some Dollar Tree fake coins inside of it. Alright, now I'm just going to show you the top because I just thought I really love these gold coins, and I just got them from the Dollar Tree, and you just scatter them and they look really nice. I found this clover with Lucky on it at Joann's. I think it was only like $8. And everything that you're going to see in this 2-tier tray was from Hobby Lobby, except for those little wooden balls, decor balls. Those I found at the Dollar Tree, and they still have those. And of course I had to add in some cute little string lights because I'm obsessed. I got those from the Dollar Tree also. This little plant I got from Target and the dollar spot. It was $5. And this little stool I got at Hobby Lobby. And that stool did not cost that much. The frame with the St. Paddy'S hat in it is a DIY I made last year, and I will include the DIY video in the description box below for that one. And I'm also going to include a link in the description box below to the blog for this, so you can see exactly where I got everything. Alright, so the rest of the video is going to be showing you what they have for St. Patrick's Day decor and for the Easter and Spring decor at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to put music to the rest of it, or because I'll never get it out if I have to think of something witty and funny, which I'm not funny, to say about the rest of the video. So enjoy the rest of the video. You can sit from home and you don't have to go out to Hobby Lobby. You can see what they have there. And if you see something that you like, then you can go check it out. All right, guys, enjoy.
Should we get this? It's like me, Aiden, you.
Yeah, huh?
You're not. Aiden. Look how small the ear is.
I like that, actually.
picture? Should you take a picture of this?
What's that?
A cute little bunny.
A cute little bunny?